Over the last few years, we have seen a huge advancement in the evolution of vinyl plank flooring. Hey, it's Steph. I just wanted to give you a few key points on our new floating floor vinyl plank. First of all, it's extremely resistant to temperature change. A floating floor vinyl plank is suitable for any level of your home, even basements. The stone composite core to these new vinyls are suitable for extreme temperature changes. So we can now put them into three-season cottages. They will resist extreme heat as well as the cold, making them ideal. The locking system for these floating floor vinyls are extremely easy to work with, making it a great do-it-yourself project. And here at Flooring Superstores, we have patterns and colors that you will not see anywhere else. So those are just a few key points of these new floating vinyl floors, making it an extremely suitable choice for many different applications. If you have any questions, please comment below.